Ready to make your voice sound like a chipmunk or a booming giant? Let's dive into changing your voice pitch using Capcut Mobile. First, open Capcut and import the video clip you want to work with. If you're adding a voiceover, record it directly within Capcut or import a pre-recorded audio file. Tap on the audio track in the timeline. This will activate the audio editing tools at the bottom of your screen. Scroll through the editing options at the bottom until you find voice effects. Tap on it. A range of voice effects will appear. Today, we're focusing on pitch. You'll see a slider. Dragging it to the left will lower the pitch of your voice, making it deeper. Dragging the slider to the right will raise the pitch, making your voice sound higher and squeakier. Experiment to find the perfect sound for your project. Once you're happy with the pitch, tap the check mark to apply the effect. Now, play back your video to hear the change. Remember, you can always undo the change or readjust the slider until it's perfect. And that's it. Now you know how to easily change your voice pitch in Capcut. Don't forget to export your video and share your awesome creations. Like and subscribe for more quick Capcut tutorials.